Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Honorable Chairman of Zainul Hasan Genggong Education Foundation, Kiai Haji Muhasan Mutawakil Allah SHMM. Honorable Rector of Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic University, Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BIMAG. Honorable Thesis Advisors, Mr. Dr. Zainuddin MPD and Mr. Ferry Ferdianto MPD. And unforgettable, my beloved parents. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadia Nurwahyuni from the English Education Department and Faculty of Education and Teacher Training. In this second presentation video, I would like to explain the revisions of my proposal and PowerPoint based on all suggestions from the examiners. First, in my PowerPoint, I have simplified the text into clear main points. I no longer use long paragraphs, and I reduced the amount of text, highlighted important keywords, and made the font and spacing consistent. The slides are now cleaner and not too crowded. I also added supporting data from my preliminary observation. The observation shows that students tend to be passive, less confident, and have minimal interaction in the classroom. From this condition, I clarified the urgency of this research, which is the gap between student-centered learning in the theory and teacher-centered learning in reality. I also made the connection between the problem and the solution clearer. The low students' learning interest is addressed by using Tokhan as a non-digital, interactive, movement-based learning media. The research gap is now clearer because most previous studies focus on digital game-based learning, while my research emphasized movement and direct interaction as the main difference. I also added the years of the theories. Brunner, 1960 years, Vygotsky, 1978 years, and Rogers, 1969 years. I explained how active thinking, social interaction, and emotional engagement are combined in Tokhan to improve student learning interest. The research variables are clearly stated. Tokhan as the independent variable and student learning interest as the dependent variable. I also added the conceptual framework, diagram, and research instrument. In chapter 1, the background has been revised to focus more on real classroom problems, especially low student interest in learning English, such as passive behavior, fear of speaking, and lack of interaction. The research gap is strengthened as the main difference of this study. I also added the scientific argument about why movement-based and direct interaction media can be more effective than screen-based media. In addition, I clearly state that this research focuses on learning interest, not on improving speaking achievement to avoid misunderstanding. Next, in chapter 2, I clarified the concept of student interest as situational interest, which appears because of certain learning activities or simultaneity. It is also connected to emotional engagement, The theories of Werner, Vygotsky, and Rogers are not only sporting theories anymore, but they become the conceptual foundation of Tokhan. And I also added critical analysis that Tokhan is contextual. It may need an adjustment for introvert and extrovert students, and it may be more effective in small class depending on classroom condition. Next, in third chapter, I explain the implementation cycle of Tokhan in detail. It includes the preparation stage, implementation stage, and reflection stage. This explanation is placed at the end of point B based on the examiner's suggestion. Since I act as a teacher researcher, I maintain objectivity by using systematic observation, instrument and data triangulation from observation, interviews, and documentation. The constraint data about change in student interest before, during, and after using Tokhan will be discussed in chapter 4. Okay, with all these references, my proposal and PowerPoint are now clearer in terms of problem focus, research gap, theoretical foundation, and research implementation. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.